Hello everyone, my name is Anne from English Valley Cafe. Welcome if you are new to this channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share 3 phrasal verbs that we use in a daily conversation. And I know that I use these phrasal verbs a lot myself. So I would like to share with you, and hopefully you will be able to use them in your daily conversation, but better yet, be able to understand when you listen to native speakers. So let's get started. The first phrasal verb is catch up. Catch up. Now, here in this context, when we are talking about meeting with friends, catch up means that you have not seen your friends for quite some time, and you want to get together and to talk about what has been happening in your lives recently. So you can say, let's catch up. You might ask a friend, hey, do you have time? Let's catch up. I haven't seen you for a while. Or we should find a time to catch up. All right, so catch up means that to be updated on what's happening in each other's lives. So catch up. And if you say it fast with the linking is catch up, catch up. Hey, let's catch up sometime, catch up. The second one is to meet up, meet up. So let's say that you and your friend decided that, yes, you have not seen each other for a while. You want to be updated, you want to catch up. So you might find a time to meet with each other. So you can say, what time are you free to meet up? Or which day are you free to meet up? Meet up. So meet up means that you make a time, you discuss, you come to an agreement on a time that you will see each other. Okay, so meet up. And the other phrasal verb is hang out. Hang out. Hang out means that we get together with friends just for fun, very relaxing atmosphere. You maybe get together for a coffee, or maybe you go to a friend's house and just relax and maybe drink a beer and just chat. So you might hear people say, hey, do you have time to hang out this weekend? Do you want to hang out sometime? And that just means that to get together, have fun, eat, and just relax and talk. So hang out. And there you have it. These are 3 super useful phrasal verbs that you can use in your daily conversation. I hope you find it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to English Valley Cafe if you are new here, or maybe you haven't subscribed yet. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are looking for more phrasal verbs, check out over here, the playlist. That's it, and thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye!